Have you ever experienced a medical emergency? If you're like most people, the answer is probably yes. Maybe you've had a sudden illness or injury, maybe you've had an accident. But whatever it was, you know that it was scary and stressful. And you also know that it was a lot of work. Medical emergencies don't just happen to other people. They can happen to anyone, anywhere, anytime. That's why it's so important to be prepared. And one of the best ways to be prepared is to have a medical information book for your home. This is a comprehensive guide that will help you through every step of a medical emergency, from the first moments when you realize something is wrong to the aftermath, when you trying to recover. In this video, we'll talk about what should be included in a medical information book, why it's so important to have one, and how to put one together. So stay tuned. A medical information book is a document that contains important medical information about you and your family members. This information can include things like your medical history, allergies, medications, and even living wills. Having this information readily available can be critical in the event of a medical emergency. First, let's talk about what should be included in a medical information book. There are many different things to consider, but here are a few of the most important things to remember. Start by gathering basic information about yourself and each member of your family. This includes things like your name, address, date of birth, social security number, and contact information. Also, list any medications that you take, including prescription medications, over-the-counter medications, and supplements. Be sure to include the dosage and frequency of each medication. Next, list any known allergies that you or your family members have. Allergies can be life-threatening, so it's important that medical professionals know which allergies you have before treating you. You may also want to list any medical conditions that you or your family members have, including chronic conditions like diabetes or asthma. Be sure to include the symptoms of each condition as well as the treatments that have been effective in the past. Finally, you may want to include a list of emergency contacts, including friends and neighbors who can help in the event of an emergency. Include their phone numbers and addresses in your list. There are a variety of reasons why having a medical information book is so important. It can help ensure that you get the right medical care if you ever need it. By having your medical information readily available, you can help medical professionals make informed decisions about your treatment. This is especially important if you have a chronic illness or condition. Having your medical information book handy can also save time in an emergency. If you or a loved one ever needs medical attention, paramedics and emergency room staff will likely ask questions about your medical history and current medications. By having your medical information book with you, you can save valuable time that could otherwise be spent gathering this information. In addition, having your medical information book can be helpful if you ever need to fill out insurance forms or apply for disability benefits. The information in your book can help you remember important details about your medical history, which can be helpful when dealing with insurance companies. Overall, having a medical information book is simply a smart way to take control of your health and ensure that you get the medical care you need if you ever need it. It's not something you hope you'll never have to use, but rather a safety net that can provide peace of mind knowing you're prepared for anything life may throw your way. Now that we've discussed what a medical information book is and why it's important, let's talk about how to put one together. The good news is that there are plenty of resources available to help you get started. One option is to create a spreadsheet or use a word processing document to compile all of your important medical information. You can find templates online that include all the information you need to track. Another option is to purchase a pre-made medical information book. These books typically include everything you need to get started and can be found on websites or medical supply stores. Once you have your book or spreadsheet in order, be sure to keep it in a safe and accessible place. A good rule of thumb is to keep a copy in your home and one with you at all times, like in your car. That way, you'll be sure to have your medical information with you no matter where you go. It's also important to review your medical information book regularly and make updates as needed. Your medications, conditions, and other important information may change over time, so it's important to keep your book up to date. Taking the time to put together a medical information book can provide peace of mind knowing you're prepared for anything. By taking these steps, you can help ensure that you get the medical care you need if you ever need it. If you're looking for additional resources to help you create your medical information book, there are plenty of options available. The American Red Cross, for example, has a wealth of information on their website, including sample forms and templates. You can also reach out to your local health department or senior center for assistance. Creating a medical information book is an important step toward taking control of your health and ensuring you're prepared for anything life may throw your way. By following the tips above, you can easily put together a book that will provide you with peace of mind for years to come. It's time to get serious about the health of your loved ones. Take the time to put together a medical information book today and rest easy knowing you are prepared for anything. The steps may seem daunting, but they're easier than navigating a medical emergency. Plus, the benefits of having this book in the event of an emergency cannot be overstated. Don't wait until it's too late. Put your health in your hands today with a comprehensive medical information book. Life is unpredictable, and it would be a shame to be caught off guard without important medical information in a time of crisis. The key to staying ahead of the curve is to take proactive steps now that will pay off later. One of the best ways to do this is by investing in a medical guide. With a detailed and reliable medical guide by your side, you'll be able to navigate any unexpected health issues that may arise. In the event of a medical emergency, every second counts. That's why it is crucial to have a medical guide that can provide clear and concise instructions quickly and efficiently. With a reliable medical guide, you'll be able to assess the situation and provide the necessary care in no time. But why wait for an emergency to happen before realizing the value of a medical guide? Don't wait until it's too late. Invest in your peace of mind today by getting a medical guide. Not only will it help you in times of need, but it will also provide you with valuable information and insights into maintaining good health. Don't take the risk. Get a medical guide today and be prepared for anything. The bottom line is that you never know when you might need a medical guide. So why wait until disaster strikes to get one? Investing in your health and well-being is always a smart move. So get a medical guide today and rest easy knowing you'll be prepared for whatever comes your way. You may never need it, but if you do, you'll be glad you have it. We understand that finding the right medical guide can be overwhelming with so many options available. So if you're looking for a reliable, accurate, and user-friendly medical guide, look no further. Down in the comments, I have linked one that I use myself. Check out the description for the link as well, and don't forget to subscribe for more meaningful videos like this one.